Okay, so we're going to try this Joglo Warung. It's called Gula Bali. Gula is sugar in Indonesian, so Gula Bali the Joglo. Hey, bro.
Good morning. How are you, sir?
Good. Yeah, it looks nice in here. So there's a lot of gardens and stuff around. It's really good. Little play place for the kids. Alright, so it looks like there's a few different sections. We've got a section over here that looks reserved. It's like a little joglo. Another one over the back, and then the big one at the front. I suppose this is the main part here. Alright. Okay, so Yuli's found us a seat over here somewhere. So there's actually like 3 separate buildings that you can eat in here. Alright. And then there's another little room at the back here as well. Wow, it seems really nice in here. There's a lot of gardens and that around, makes it look nice, yeah. Like a fancy little grass roof umbrella thing. Hello, how are you? Okay, so they've got 2 different types of menu here. One in Bahasa English, and he's given me one in English because they assumed you can't speak Indonesian, I suppose. So they've got 2 menus. I wonder if the prices are the same. Give me a look. Oh yeah, the prices are the same because some restaurants do have different prices for different menus for different people. So anyway, what do you got? Ayam betutu. Oh, they got ayam betutu. It's very cheap, 35. But I noticed on the board out they had pasang hijau. It's like a Sulawesi dish. It's like a banana wrapped in a pancake, and then it's with custard and coconut milk. It's really good. So maybe I'll just get that. I don't know. So it's basically Indonesian food. Ayam goreng, tipat ayam betutu, bebek goreng. It's duck. Tipat. Alright, so they got a lot of rujak. If you haven't had rujak before, it's like green mangoes and different fruits like papaya, mango. It's mixed. Alright, so I'm just going to get ayam betutu. Yuli's going to get the tipat kuah ayam betutu. Hello. One's a laugh. It says more or less no sleeping or laying down on the lounges. They must get people coming in and just go to sleep or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to head out. Now, across the road is like, apparently we asked the girl, it's apparently like a car rental place. We thought it was someone's collection. And so we're going to go out just quickly and check out that. There's Mustangs and all sorts of exotic cars out there. So I'm going to zap out and check it out. Some nice looking cars here. There's a nice Mercedes here. So they're all sort of, just normal little thing. What's that? Another Mercedes? What's this? A Mustang? A Mustang convertible. Check that out. Hey? How unreal is that? Another Mercedes. Got a little Mini Cooper S. Got a couple of them. And what's this thing? Wow, is this a Porsche? Check it out. Little green Porsche. Very nice. There's another little one. What's this? Like a little Mazda or something. Got BMWs, Range Rovers, Jeeps. Yeah, apparently it looks like there's people there. There must be an office in the back. So apparently this is like a car rental. I wonder how much it is to rent the Mustang. Be a few $100 for the day, I'd say. Wouldn't be cheap. Very nice. I like the convertible Mustang. Okay, so I'll leave a Google Maps link for in the description for this place. It's sort of a little bit tricky to find, so I'll leave the link and make it a lot easier for you to find this place. It's well worth a look. It's really nice inside with all the trees and shade, and that's nice and cool in there. So I got a ST Tawara, just a plain tea with no sugar, and Yuli got a lychee tea. Sorry?
Cameraman or just taken video? Oh, YouTuber.
YouTuber, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll give you a sticker. Yeah. So he was interested to know whether I was a YouTuber, so I gave him a sticker and a bit of a shameless plug there. And yeah. Okay, so here's our food. So this is the kuah, so you really got ayam betutu kuah, it's like a soup mixed with it. And I just got normal ayam betutu, more or less a dry version of hers. Okay, so let's check out this ayam betutu. Now I eat ayam betutu whenever I can because I really love it. I just love the taste of it. This bumbu you can see on top, the greeny coloured bumbu, that is the betutu flavour. So it's just white rice. You've got like a satay, some chicken skin, bean sprouts. It's normally got peanuts, beans, an egg and sambal. There's no peanuts in this one. And some more chicken and that. Alright, so let's hook in and check it out. Looks good. Looks really good. Got the crunchy chicken skin, which is really good. I love this stuff, eh? So, try a bit of the betutu. A little bit of rice. A little bit of chicken. Really does have that distinctive taste of ayam betutu. You've got to try it. If you haven't tried ayam betutu, hunt it down and try it. So Yuli's ayam betutu has got teapat with it. It's more like a soup flavoured one. Ayam betutu is like a soup and teapat rice. Ketupat or teapat. It's basically the same thing in like a soupy ayam betutu flavoured soup. Good? Thank you. Alright, so this is Pasang Hijau. As you can see, like it's like a green banana. No, it's like a banana wrapped in a green pancake. And then you get all like jelly and stuff, and it's in coconut milk. It's really good. Pasang Hijau, Sulawesi food. We've got the little cafe area here where they make the coffees and that. Also got a little upstairs seating area there, which is nice. And apparently you've got to come inside here and pay, so I'll just pay with Scan Pay. Scan Pay is good because you don't have to carry your card with you, or cash with you. So here's the kitchen. Some meals coming out. Okay, so that was about 200,000. We got the 2 ayam betutus, 2 drinks, and 2 Pasang Hijau. So good value. Very nice, this place. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's really nice in here. Well worth a look. Gula Bali the Joglo.